Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by AgroPro Tech Conference and Expo, from 3 to 5 June 2021 at GEC Convention Center Chittagong. The new path of Paragon Group and Chicks and Feeds begins. Short feature on over 10,000 large projects includes Simaga silos. We see ourselves as one of the top-class companies in this sector by means of our products' quality and our experience. Brazil's slow soybean harvest widens the window for U.S. exports. Bangladesh's scientists lead the discovery of the ability to purify cesium-contaminated soil. We must transform our food systems to achieve healthy people and a healthy planet. White Gold is the new name in the tea market for its taste, aroma and nutrition. A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
And Mill Tech Istanbul, media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Thanks for watching.